Well, kasi nila maintindihan, kailangan natin mag-English. Okay, so today I have I have this. Yeah, taste test. It's this orbs. Okay, it is orbs, and then I already taste tested it. It's like little orbs. Look, baby orbs. I'm gonna show you guys this. You see that? It's like mini orbs, but like you can eat it. Mini orbs that you can eat. Look, I'm gonna get some. Oh my god! Look, I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna get some. Then, look. You see that? It's baby orbs. Yeah. Kupal. It's baby orbs. Napakita ka ta. I'm with my friend. Napakita kita. Napakita kita. Papakita kita. Ngayon, papakita kita. Kita ka na, wala. Kita ka na. Oh, nakaplay na. Okay. The taste on this is very great. Ano ba? Nagre-review ako. I'm reviewing. My friend is really annoying. Look. That is blue. Taste test is good. Bye, guys.